My name is Peppa. I'm 6 years old. Today in our lesson, we're going to talk a tornado. In our real life, we need a thunderstorm. And it's not going to rain, just like a raining cloud, but it's not going to rain. It will have air going up the clouds, and it's like a funnel, and it's skinny. It's very skinny. When it touches the ground, we call it a tornado. And when you have a bottle and you flip it around, it's not going to happen anything. When you have a bottle and you flip it around like this and you shake it, and when you put out your hand, it's going to look like a tornado. And now, for our things we need to make a tornado is food coloring, some glitters, and 2 bottles and my safety goggles. And now I have 1 bottle full with water and other bottle don't have water. And you know what the red called? It's a connector. And now let's start making a tornado. Now I'm going which color food coloring we use. How about blue? Okay, this blue. And now we need to wear safety goggles. And now I am ready to make. It's just only tiny bit of drops. Okay? That's enough. And now I'm going to put in here. Okay? Now I'm going to put some glitters. Okay? And now I'm going to put another bottle on the top. Okay? Wash carefully. And you see it's cool? You want more? Okay. It's cool. You can make one at home by yourself. You can need to watch our other video, and now you can make a tornado like me. And see you later. Goodbye.